Welcome to Furaveri. That's the water villa. And we just arrived.
Говорящий? Нет, английский не говорящий.
Велики платные?
Что?
Велосипеды.
Да, $13 один день. Ну, вообще, нет, вообще $10 плюс вот эти комиссии, если считать, да, примерно 13 один день, один велосипед. Сюда, пожалуйста. Может быть, я один раз был на Петербурге, на Москве был один раз. Так, пожалуйста, давай проходим. Next to it is clinic where a doctor is available, but hope it's not needed. A wellness village, we have spa, spa, all the services will be chargeable. Gym is completely free, and this is also free. For gym, it's just walking between 6 in the morning to 9 at night. It's every 5 to 7 minutes, a buggy will go up, and they will be rounding around the island.
Что там? Вот? Да, бесплатно. Резервирование бесплатно.
So this is Jaafaiy Restaurant. That's the main restaurant. Yes. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner you can have from here without pre-reservation. Buffets. And tonight it's Mediterranean night.
Jaafaiy Restaurant. Breakfast, lunch, late dinner, dessert area. Pasta station. To the beachfront villa in Furaveri, still the same as I remembered and as I posted in the video 5 years ago. Still a huge pool. And then yeah, everything. Toilet, 2 dressing area, 1 big tub. I don't know why we have 2 doors, but we're circling back. And another stuff like this, iron. And over there also they have this indoor. Depends on your meal plan. You can consume this, but yeah, double check your meal plan and it will be chargeable. But if you have all inclusive, these are included if you are all inclusive. What else we have here? Safe box, tea, coffees, and sugar. Welcome to
categories in order: garden villa, beach pool villa with jacuzzi, ocean villa horizon with jacuzzi, ocean villa infinity, ocean pool villa sunrise, ocean pool villa sunset, private luxury beach residence, private ocean reef residence, private villa luxury residence. We have total 3 categories of residences, but that is a new restaurant to our chain, which will be soft launching on this year November. That is the one you see there. It's the Lebanese restaurant.